Local government minister Desmond McKenzie has defended the government's move to earmark $75 million for churches in the parishes hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. This despite objection within the governing Jamaica Labour Party. He argues that the support is critical as churches play a key role in post-hurricane recovery.
In St. Elizabeth, we had a major problems with shelters. And there was a church community that came to the rescue. They opened their doors. And there's how many persons there now?
15.
Waterloo. Over 20 persons are there. And there are various churches across the island who's asking for nothing.
For Mr. McKenzie notes that several churches have been actively assisting storm-affected communities by distributing relief supplies.
And for those who feel that the church is not deserving of it, let me say this. The church is the community. Because there are a lot of persons who rely heavily on the churches. We're not going to be building back churches because we can't. But we have provided some funding for churches to clean up, so that, and if there's any minor things that can be done, that can be done also.